Dear students, I will show you how can you download Python and how can you use the Python. I will teach you from A to Z. Okay, so let's start. The first you have to write on Google this Python. You will click on the first one. This is Python, www.python.org. You will click on Welcome to Python, and from here you will click on Download. Once you click on download, you will see this download the latest version of Windows. You will click on download and it will start downloading. After you download Python, you have to download one more thing, and that is this mu code with mu. Okay, this is the website. I will share this Python link and for this mu link in the description. So you will download this, and here you will click Windows installer, because if you want to install in your desktop or the laptop. And after finish this, you will go to search and write mu. When you will write mu, so you see this is the mu editor. You will double click on it, and the mu editor, it will open a Python editor. Okay, and this is the mu editor, and this is the place where we will create our program.